Hello everybody, it's Rich of Rich 220 Garage, and what I've been doing this morning is sitting here trying to restore these. I got these and they were pretty much dirty as heck. Taking it all the way to the end, and as you can see, they look a lot better now, and I got to get rid of that little dent, which I'll probably have to tap out later. But there's still some spots that I actually have to get rid of the dirt and grime on. It doesn't really show up well on the camera, but see, like right there. So I use steel wool. It's 000 because you don't want to scratch anything, but you also want to make sure it comes out decent. So that's what I'm doing here with this. It's just to give you some kind of idea of what I do when I'm not out working on the car. And usually the dirt just blows off, so you can just blow it off and that'll be it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, folks, on the 4th of July. Yeah, I just figured let you guys see that I still do some things, but not anything really horrendous or stressing, kind of stuff. So these things will be either put in my game room, or they'll be put out here in the living room, or I'll sell them. It all depends. If I do sell them, they're going to be about $150 to $200. All right, because they're being restored. All right, well, we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for post notifications. And leave a comment down below. See you in the next one, folks. Bye. Even my pain in the butt nephew. I love you too.